And so hello guys, welcome back to another video. So previously training tayo kahapon before, so this is the few days bago magpasukan. So few players we trained kahapon, few drills and then open play bago sila magpasukan. And unfortunately from open play kahapon may na-injured si Renz, so solo training tayo today. Ayan, so nasa forestry tayo. Double session ulit tayo. Kaso injured si Ren, so it has to be solo training. But despite that, tuloy pa rin tayo. So gagawin natin for today, siguro since solo siya, no, more of dribbling. So that's for my warm up, dribbling, juggling, ball control. And then mas focus ko is long balls, crosses. No, cause I'll play mostly midfield or fullback. So I need long balls and crosses. Tapos maybe konting shooting na rin kasi I've barely trained my shooting lately. So and good opportunity to train my shooting. So here in forestry, we have goals, small goals. No? So more of pang 7 aside siguro yung shooting na papracticein natin. Or pwede din namang 11 aside pero hindi siya ganun kalaki. So, yeah, adjust na lang. Ayan, let's go. Okay. So, bago mag-shooting, short passes muna. Wala magpapasa sa atin eh. So, from here, dribble, fake to a turn, tas short pass lang to the side. And next, crosses, long ball. So, here, ayan, cone, push, cross lang dun sa goal. Imagine natin teammate yun. So, kailangan may curve and mataas yung cross. So, I'll work on my left foot and then right foot. Tapos mamaya, long balls naman. One, two.
Yun. Good job, la. Continue. Kita yung bola. Yun. 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, after training, I'm with my girlfriend. So, we're going to eat brunch. And then mamayang hapon, I might train again. So, ayun, nakatapos ko lang maligo. Konting rest. And then mamayang hapon, we go again. Okay, so shave tayo ng legs. And this is makakatulong siguro to sa speed natin, hopefully.
Shave, look at my face.
Oh, shiny legs!
Hindi nga siya shiny, yung prickly. Okay, done.
Okay, done.
Yung other leg!
Patingin na other leg. Patingin na other leg.
Hindi, done na yan. Okay na. Tapos na for today.